He will critique our technique this evening on the beach. Welcome to Broken English on Fluent American, where we take a look at one sound in American English pronunciation and study how to pronounce it with the use of spelling, word pairs, and practice sentences. My name is Geoff. Today, we're looking at the long I sound, or E, like in seat, seat. Many language groups do have this sound, but some things to consider for mouth position. You don't need to have your mouth very wide, so your mouth can be mostly closed if you wish. Also, you want your tongue to be high, the back, the middle, and the front, and it should sound like E, like in seat, seat. The first way to spell this sound is with the use of two-letter E's, like in these words: need, need, feet, feet, sleep, sleep. The letters I, E, or EI can also make this sound: receive, receive, believe, believe, thief, thief. Also, if you surround a consonant with the letter E, you can make this sound, like in these words: Japanese, Japanese, impede, impede, evening, evening. You can also make this when you have the letters I, Q, U, E together, like here: critique, critique, technique, technique, oblique, oblique. The letters EA can also make this: read, read, leave, leave, breathe, breathe. Finally, if a word ends with a Y, it will typically have this sound as well: happy, happy, busy, busy, history, history. We'll now go over some practice word pairs. I'll say the whole pair twice and then move on to the next one. Sweet dreams, sweet dreams. Happy feet, happy feet. Keep clean, keep clean. Read these, read these. Busy bees, busy bees. Let's take a look at some sentences now. I will say the whole sentence, break it into smaller parts, and then repeat. The bees keep their honey clean while we eat. Eat. We eat. The bees keep honey, honey clean. The bees keep their honey clean while we eat. Second sentence. He will critique our technique this evening on the beach. Beach. Critique. Critique our technique. He will critique. He will critique our technique this evening on the beach. Last sentence. The study of history makes me fall asleep. Asleep. Me fall asleep. Study. Study of history. The study of history makes me fall asleep. That concludes our time today on the long I sound, or E, like in seat, seat. For more information on this and other sounds in American English pronunciation, be sure to check out our website at fluentamerican.com and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on when the next video comes out. Thank you for your time today. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.